Buhatin na lang siya. So, kinakat na niya. Ayan. Nakat yung isa. So, dalawa yan. Magiging dalawa yan. Now, he's gonna cut it there. Na-measure mo na ba yan? Oh, yeah. I-cut doon. There we go. Cut it already for tomorrow. And the other one too. Para buhatin na lang siya. And he's putting that one too.